If your page has long content and visitors keep scrolling and scrolling, then for better UX, you need this widget. Hi everyone. Today we are learning how to use the Elementor widget table of contents. How it helps? The table of content widget automatically creates clickable list of headings of your page. And when user clicks any item, they instantly jump to that section. For this tutorial, let's imagine we are creating a long blog article, that is how to build a website using Elementor. First, make sure your content uses proper heading tags. So to rearrange this article, I am using a two column layout. So on left, I will put my table of content, and on right, I will put my content part. So here I am dividing article with proper headings and relevant content. Now my blog article has been rearranged. So I have selected a relevant title and relevant content. So all section on right part is ready. Now for left column, I am dropping my widget table of contents. Now as I drop it, it will pick up the heading because of this setting and automatically create your menu and link to the article. So if we see the preview, so whenever you click on the link, so it is automatically linked to that particular section of the article. Let's assume you have more complex layout, for example, three column layout, or you are running a content heavy page, but you want to target particular part for table of contents only. So for now, you can notice here, along with this title, along with this heading, it also captures additional heading from here, because it is also a heading from this. This is by default option. So what we need to assign this widget to particular that part. So for that I am selecting this area, and I will give CSS class to that area. Now I will select the widget and I will put that targeted container here. Now as I put it here, it will only capture headings from here. Now let's assume another scenario, that you have one more additional heading here, another title. For SEO, for schema, for any purpose, you need to keep a tag similar to your main title. So if I refresh it, now you can see it also captures the title, but I don't want this into my widget. So for that you need to assign another CSS class to it. So for example, no linked header, and to remove it from here I will go to exclude and I will put that select. As you can see, it's gone. So that's how you can include and exclude your header. Now let's see how to create a subsection. So for that, let's assume from here you have one more section and subsection. And you have content for it. Now it has a H2 and my other title is also H2. So when I publish this, it will also create as a main section. So this coming as a main section. I want to make it a subsection, so I will assign it to H3. Now it will go as a subsection. So it is useful if you are designing like a course detail page, and you have a policy page, and you have subsection of the main section. So this is useful on base of headings it works, so you need to assign accordingly. By default, marker view is a number. You can also assign a bullet. You can also change icon for it, so that is available. Another option is a word wrap. So let's say here we have very long title, So as we have a long title, it shows like this. You can control it with a word wrap. Then you can also work on this minimize thing, minimize box. So you can also work on that. Then we have collapsible sub items. We have here sub item. So you can also hide that. For styling of the widget, you can use the style tab. These are all similar to like other widget. If we go to the specific one, then you can go to the list. Here you will find indent. So here you can change spacing of the subsection. And another specific you will find is a marker. So that is a marker color and size you can change here. If you are using a bullet point or any image or something, that icon size you can control it here. So that's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to try on your content heavy pages or long articles. And if you find this helpful, then you don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.